Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to consume spirulina powder. Spirulina is a fantastic blue-green algae packed with an impressive array of nutrients. It's a complete protein source, offering essential vitamins like B-complex, A, K, C, and E, along with vital minerals such as iron and magnesium. This superfood also boasts powerful antioxidants, including phycocyanin, which can help reduce inflammation and support your overall immune system. It's a simple way to boost your daily wellness. Spirulina comes in various forms, including powder, tablets, and capsules, making it easy to incorporate into your routine. For general wellness, a recommended daily intake often falls between 1 and 8 grams. If you are new to spirulina, it's best to start with a smaller amount, perhaps 1 or 2 grams, and slowly increase as your body adjusts. Many people prefer taking it in the morning to kickstart their day with an energy boost. Spirulina powder has a distinct earthy taste, but there are many delicious ways to enjoy it. A popular method is blending about 1 teaspoon into your morning smoothie or fruit juice. Sweet fruits like pineapple or mango work wonders to mask its flavor. You can also get creative by adding it to savory items such as homemade pesto, hummus, or even salad dressings. For optimal iron absorption, try mixing your spirulina with a vitamin C-rich liquid like lemon water. When adding spirulina to your diet, remember to start with a small dose and gradually increase it. Staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water is also important. To ensure safety, always opt for organic and third-party tested spirulina products to avoid potential contaminants. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, have an autoimmune condition, diabetes, or take blood thinners, please consult your healthcare provider before incorporating spirulina into your regimen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.